Slide projector. You'll need the following materials and tools. 1. Make the folds in Part A. 2. Form Part A into a square tube. Glue and/or tape shut. 3. Make the folds in both Part Ds. 4. Slide one Part D into Part A on the side opposite the slits. Line the notch up with the flap on Part A. Glue or tape in place. 5. Slide the other Part D into Part A, tape into place. 6. Make the folds in Part C. 7. Fold Part C into a square tube. Glue and/or tape shut. 8. Make the folds in Part E and tape the corners. 9. Fit the lens into Part E. 10. Place Part F on top of the lens. 11. Fit all of this onto one end of Part C. Glue or tape into place. 12. Slide Part C into the square hole in the Part D that is the front of the slide projector. 13. Make the folds in Part B. 14. Slide the bulb into Part B, pushing the end through the slitted side, then through the round hole. 15. Screw the bulb into the socket. 16. Slide Part B into the back of the slide projector. 17. Tape into place. 18. Plug in the socket to make the bulb illuminate. Making slides. 1. Fold the Part Gs. 2. Cut an image from the film. 3. Place the image in Part G, lining up the image with the square hole and making sure the bottom of the image points towards the longer side. 4. Tape into place. 5. Glue, then clamp or place under a heavy book. 6. Instead of film, you can use black construction paper. Then poke holes to make a constellation, or an image, made of points of light. 7. If you'd like to make your own slide, you can use clear plastic from a transparency or even from the lid of a clear plastic food container, drawing on it with markers. Now you're ready to use the slide projector. Insert a slide into the projector and focus the image.